In a world of deep fakes, where can advertiser find a real engagement? Podcasting comes up as the credible platform for original content and advertising. LibSync September 2024 report shows stable podcast ads rate averaging to $21.37 for a 60-second spot. The most in-demand categories are commanding high premium rates like government, $31, technology, $29, and health and fitness, it's $24. LibSync's partnership with Barometer introduced a real-time content verification and ensuring brand safety in a world where AI-generated content is on the rise. Fun fact, LibSync hosts more than 75,000 shows, delivering a total of $8 billion across the globe. Imagine a future where each and every podcast adds fits perfectly and every moment a listen. It is now coming alive. While AI continues to shape and mold the media landscape, podcasting remain as reliable medium for both advertisers and creators alike. Will this trend grow further? Only time can say. Stay tuned for more updates in the ever evolving world of podcast advertising. For more news and insight on podcast, subscribe to podwires.com.